Welcome back to ASM Motor Group. Today, 7 road rules that most British drivers get wrong and what each one actually costs you. ABS light, your brakes still work, skids don't stop themselves. An amber ABS light on its own means normal braking still works, you haven't lost your brakes. But the anti-lock system has switched off, so drive with extra care. Get it looked at soon rather than leaving it indefinitely. Because the pedal feels completely normal, drivers often ignore this for months. Worth knowing, if the ABS light and the separate brake warning light come on together, that combination points to a more serious brake problem, not just a sensor fault. Get it wrong and it's automatic MOT fail. Steam and a red thermometer, never open the cap. A red engine temperature light means the engine is overheating, pull over, switch off, and let it cool before touching anything under the bonnet. The classic mistake is pushing on just a few more minutes to get home. Driving even a short distance while overheating can warp the cylinder head or blow the head gasket, turning a cheap coolant top-up into one of the most expensive repairs a garage sees.
Airbag light stuck on. DVSA calls that a crash risk. The airbag/SOS light should flash briefly at startup, then go off. If it stays on, keeps flashing, or never lights up at all, that's an automatic MOT fail, because it means the airbags or seatbelt pretensioners might not fire properly in a crash. One thing drivers panic about unnecessarily: a light showing the passenger airbag has been deliberately switched off is normal, not a fault. Only a light indicating an actual system malfunction is the problem. Get it wrong and it's automatic MOT fail.
Brake warning light on, that's an automatic MOT fail. A red brake system light means don't drive until you know why. It usually points to low brake fluid or a fault in the main braking system. DVSA fails a car outright if it's on or not working. Drivers often confuse this with the separate amber ABS light and assume a normal feeling pedal means it's fine to leave. It isn't the same warning, and if the underlying fault genuinely makes the car dangerous, driving on it is its own specific criminal offense, quite apart from whatever an MOT tester later finds. Get it wrong and it's automatic MOT fail if the brake fluid warning light is illuminated or the warning device is faulty.
Battery light, it's really the alternator. A red battery symbol usually means the alternator has stopped charging the battery while you drive. Not that the battery itself is simply flat. Because the car still starts and drives normally at first, drivers ignore it. But power steering, lights and even the engine's own electronics can fail once the battery drains, sometimes with no warning on a motorway.
Flashing engine light, that's very different to steady. Steady amber engine management light usually means finish your journey, then get it looked at soon. A flashing light means pull over as soon as it's safe and stop driving. It usually signals an active misfire that can destroy an expensive catalytic converter within minutes. This is the light most drivers shrug off as probably just the fuel cap, separately worth knowing on any petrol car first used from July 2003 or diesel from July 2008. DVSA fails the MOT automatically if this light is on at all, whatever the actual cause turns out to be. The tire light half of drivers can't even name. The amber tire pressure light means a tire is significantly underinflated, or the monitoring system itself has a fault. DVSA can fail a car at MOT if the system is clearly not working. Research commissioned by Quick Fit reportedly found only around 49% of drivers could correctly identify the tire pressure symbol, making it one of the most misread lights on the dashboard. It also catches people out after a tire change if the sensors aren't reset. The system can fail to warn about a genuine puncture later. That's today's rules. ASM Motor Group, MOT, servicing and repairs, and we can come to you. Find us at asmmotorgroup.co.uk.